Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a softening leave-in conditioner with Murumuru Butter and Amla Oil using a new-to-me ingredient based on an amino acid conditioning system. That means no BTMS. Keep watching.
Each of us has certain interests which we need to share with others.
Murumuru butter is known as a vegetable silicone, but don't let that scare you away. It's just a saying, y'all. It's very good at improving the shine of the hair without making it feel super greasy. Amla oil is a nice addition to a leave-in conditioner. Amla is said to help add strength to the hair and helps fight breakage over time.
Let's watch how this is done.
Use distilled water. Tap water and purified water may contain substances that could interfere with certain ingredients or accelerate emulsion deterioration. Glycerin is a great humectant overall. The addition of propanediol, though, will help combat any possible stickiness from glycerin, but it's only 2% here, so you'll be fine either way. The humectant propanediol is a non-petroleum-based glycol alternative. It helps add gloss to the actual product and is said to help boost the efficacy of preservatives. AminoSensyl HC is an amino acid-based cationic conditioner and emulsifier that's not based on the quat conditioning system like BTMS is.
Let's see if we can explain it.
Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today.
The design is complete, but will it work?
Color is always optional. The conditioner will work either way. When it's white, you can see the high shine and the gloss of the physical conditioner. I'm going to add a soft green color to this conditioner. To do that, I'm going to transfer it back into the mixing vessel and add color until I reach the desired tint. Make sure to use body-safe colors meant for lotions and creams.
No, you know better than that.
That's right.
As y'all know from a previous video, I love a soft green color for anything with mint, tea tree, or bamboo in it. The final product is shiny, very creamy, and easily spreadable throughout the hair. It's best to use on damp or wet hair. You'll be able to really feel the softness as the hair is drying and when it's dried. My hair is soft for multiple days after the initial application, but the shine is gone after about 2 or 3 days.
Looks like a good investment to me.
Alright, now you'll be tempted to be heavy-handed with this conditioner because it doesn't give that instant softness of BTMS or stearinethyl propyl dimethylamine, but give it time and let the hair dry.
And this time the mirror will be surprised. You will have the last laugh.
Weightless conditioning is, it is an accurate term in my opinion to describe the performance.
You make it seem so easy.
As always, get more recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information at CURLYTEA.com. Follow on social media, subscribe at YouTube or Odyssey, or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.